So after the teach your pet section, let's write the comment our team, then create a div and give it a class is equal to container margin top dash 3 and padding along y-axis is 5. Then we have the dash tab dash 1 and give it a id is equal to team. Then we add some space here. Then we have a section content, so I write the comment. So we need to create a section tag and give it a class equal to text at center dark gray text, and we have a padding top dash 5. After that we have a h1 tag and give it a class font width bold and our team. So it will look like this now. So let me add just space here. Then we have a grid row, create a div and give it a class is equal to row padding top dash 5. Then inside this we will create a column, grid column, create a div and give it a class is equal to col dash md dash 4. So we will create 4 column and 4 column divs, so total 3 columns. So inside this we have a div and give it a class is equal to w-200 and margin along x-axis auto and margin bottom 4. We have an image source asset/images/team1.jpg. Then we have an image float and put an alt sample image, so it will look like this now. So after this we have a h6 heading and give it a class font weight bold and I'll leave here then. Then we have small tag and give it a class is equal to text dash muted co-founder and CEO. After this we have the paragraph, give it a class margin top dash 3 margin bottom 4 and some text. And we have the social icons. Yep, we will create. So ul tag, give it a class is equal to h dash unstyle d dash flex justify dash content and center margin top dash 3. Then we have a list, and inside it we have a font or some icon which is for the Twitter. Then we have the class equal to fa dash Facebook text dash primary, so it will give you the blue color for the Facebook. Then we have the third one for the Instagram and logo color, so it will give you the orange effect, I think. Then for the last one is for the LinkedIn. Yep, fa dash LinkedIn. So this is our first 4 column div and ul tag. Then we have 4 column div and it is inside the row. So let's copy this and paste 2 times. So this is for the second time, first time, and change the image also. We change the image here asset/2.jpg, then some change the text, and similarly the same procedure that's above, that's why I copy this. So change the text here and the icon is same, then paste it one more time and change the image 3.jpg and change the text if you want. So our team section is also done now. We have S6 and we change the image here, right? So our team section is also done. So let's close this 4, 8 and 12, and this is inside the row and our team. Let me just start this. We have some issue for the width dot 200 and give it a width for 200 pixel. So not so good. So that's it for this video and I will see you in the next one.